Hi, welcome to Alwala General Knowledge class. Today our topic is Bharat Ratna Award. Bharat Ratna Award is a civilian honor. Our country has four civilian honors. Number one, our highest civilian honor is Bharat Ratna. Second highest civilian honor is Padma Vibhushan. Third highest civilian honor is Padma Bhushan. Fourth highest civilian honor is Padma Shri. All these four awards are called civilian honors. These are awards but not titles. Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri are awards but not titles. Supreme Court had given judgment also in 1997. That's why these are awards but not titles. Anybody should not use before their name these award names. Bharat Ratna recipient can call no problem. Recipient of Bharat Ratna can call no problem. But before name Bharat Ratna should not be used. Civilian honor means any field person is eligible to get a honor that is called civilian honor. A scientist is possible to get this honor, a politician is possible to get this honor, social activist is possible to get this honor, a player is eligible to get this honor. Whenever Bharat Ratna Award was started, it means in 1954. All civilian awards were started in 1954. At the time, Bharat Ratna Award point of view, only four category people were eligible: arts, literature, science, and public service. But later, in 2011, any category person, any field person of human effort, human endeavor, any field person eligible to get in 2011, it was changed. That's why present any field person, either Indian or foreigner, anybody is eligible to get a honor, that is Bharat Ratna. It is the highest civilian honor. No prize money to this honor. Any civilian awards do not have any prize money. Bharat Ratna is also civilian art. That's why no prize money. One certificate medal is given to this honor. President of India give these honors to recipients. But this honors committee chairman, all civilian awards, total committee chairman is Vice President of India. But decided by one panel who announced this honor, that person is Vice President of India. Another point what to remember, that medal made in the shape of pipal tree leaf. On that leaf, the image of sun with the words of Bharat Ratna in Devanagari script. Reverse side, our national emblem with the words of Satyameva Jayate in Devanagari script. Those two sides mentioned on that medal. Next, another point, Ministry of Home Affairs gives Bharat Ratna Award, other civilian awards also. Next, who is the first recipient of this honor? First recipient of this honor is C. Rajagopalachari, Chakravartula Rajagopalachari. Only one Indian Governor General, either British India or after independence, only one Indian worked Governor General of our country. That person is Chakravartula Rajagopalachari. That person was the first recipient of Bharat Ratna Award. Other two recipients were Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, our second Vice President of India, and Sir C.V. Raman, famous Nobel laureate, famous scientist of our country. That person C.V. Raman also got in 1954. Total three persons got in 1954, but you remember first recipient of Bharat Ratna Award is Chakravartula Rajagopalachari. And total 48 persons got this honor so far. Total how many recipients are there? Total recipients are 48. In these 48 recipients, 16 persons got posthumously. Posthumously means after death. Remaining 32 persons, when they were living at the time, they got. Out of these 48 persons, 16 persons got posthumously. Basically, whenever award was started in 1954, at the time, after death, a person is not eligible. But in 1955, amended this Bharat Ratna, even died people also eligible to get this honor. Latest recipients It was announced in 2019. Three persons got this honor in 2019. Pranab Mukherjee, our country's former president from West Bengal, Pranab Mukherjee. Nanaji Deshmukh, one social reformer, social activist from Maharashtra, posthumously got this honor. And third person is Bhupen Hazarika from Assam, famous singer, lyric writer, filmmaker, famous personality in Assam film industry, father of Assam film industry. This person got posthumously Bharat Ratna. These three are latest recipients of Bharat Ratna: Pranab Mukherjee, Nanaji Deshmukh, and Bhupen Hazarika. Our India's longest bridge, Dola Sadia Bridge, is also dedicated to this person. That bridge name is Bhupen Hazarika Bridge. It is 9.15 kilometers length. This is the longest road bridge in our country. It was constructed on Lohita River. Lohita is the one of the tributaries of Brahmaputra. On that river, this Bhupen Hazarika Setu was constructed. At present, it is the longest bridge in our country, but in future, another bridge is constructing in Bihar, that is 9.6 kilometers length. Next, what we have to concentrate. First woman recipient of this honor. First woman recipient of this honor is Indira Gandhi. In 1971, she got this honor. When she was working Prime Minister of India, she received this honor 1971. Jawaharlal Nehru also received when he was working Prime Minister of India in 1955. Two Prime Ministers were received this honor when they were working Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru 1955 and Indira Gandhi 1971. Total 5 women got this honor so far. Of all these 48 recipients, how many women are there? Only 5 women are there. Number 1 is Indira Gandhi 1971. Number 2, Mother Teresa 1980. Third person Aruna Asaf Ali 1997. Fourth person is MS Subbulakshmi, famous musician. First musician got Bharat Ratna award is also MS Subbulakshmi 1998. And fifth woman is Lata Mangeshkar in 2001. Famous singer Lata Mangeshkar 2001. Total 5 women got this honor so far. Oldest recipient of this honor is D.K. Karve, famous social activist from Maharashtra. D.K. Karve got at the age of 100 years. On his 100th birthday, he got Bharat Ratna, D.K. Karve. Youngest recipient is Sachin Tendulkar. At the age of 40 years, he got Bharat Ratna. Present recipients of all recipients, these 48 recipients, youngest recipient is Sachin Tendulkar, and only one player got so far Bharat Ratna. D.K. Karve is the oldest recipient of Bharat Ratna. Next, we come to foreigners. How many foreigners got Bharat Ratna award? You remember, answer is only 2. 2 foreigners got Bharat Ratna award. Number 1 is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan from Pakistan. This person got in 1987. Before independence, he was also Indian, but whenever Pakistan was divided from India, he went to Pakistan. He was called as Frontier Gandhi. At the time of drawing Radcliffe Line, he was mediator between India and Pakistan. That's why this person is called Frontier Gandhi. He got in 1987 Bharat Ratna. Second person is South African Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, in 1990. Only 2 foreigners got Bharat Ratna award so far. One naturalized citizen also got Bharat Ratna. Only one naturalized citizen. It means born in other country and settled in India. Born in other country but settled in India. That person is Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa got in 1980. Only one naturalized citizen got Bharat Ratna award. Who is that person? You remember, Mother Teresa. Next, who rejected? Subhash Chandra Bose rejected this honor, but Subhash Chandra Bose was died very long back, but his family rejected this honor. Whenever government announced it to Subhash Chandra Bose in 1992, at the time their family rejected because death controversy was there. That's why family rejected. But government of India cancelled this honor. Means Subhash Chandra Bose, whatever announced honor was cancelled in 1997. That's why only one person rejected, that person Subhash Chandra Bose, posthumously. This honor was suspended 2 times, from 1977 to 80 one time. It was suspended during Morarji Desai period, again restarted by Indira Gandhi. Then 1990 to P.V. Narasimha Rao period also, some people filed public litigation on this honor in Kerala High Court and Madhya Pradesh High Court. That's why it was suspended. Again, 1995 removed that suspension. Another thing you remember, first musician, already I told you, first musician got M.S. Subbulakshmi in 1998. First cinema actor got this honor is M.G. Ramachandran. He got in 1988. M.G. Ramachandran got in 1988. Posthumously, he got this honor. Another thing you remember, all civilian honors got only 3 persons. All civilian honors are 4. Bharata Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri. These 4 honors got only 3 persons. Number 1 is Bismillah Khan. In 2001, he got Bharata Ratna. Before that, he got Padma Awards also. Second person is Bhim Sen Joshi. He got Bharat Ratna in 2009. He also got 4 civilian honors. Third person is Bhupen Hazarika. He got latest in 2019 posthumously. This person also got all 4 civilian honors. Remember, our country's highest civilian honor Bharat Ratna and other 3 civilian honors, 4 honors got only 3 persons. Those 3 persons are Bismillah Khan, Bhimsen Joshi and Bhupen Hazarika. Total 6 presidents and 7 prime ministers got this honor. They worked to our country, President of India and Prime Ministers of India. Those 6 presidents are number 1 Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, number 2 Babu Rajendra Prasad, number 3 Zakir Hussain, number 4 V.V. Giri, number 5 APJ Abdul Kalam, number 6 Pranab Mukherjee. These 6 our former presidents got this honor. 7 prime ministers got this honor. Number 1 Jawaharlal Nehru, number 2 Gulzarilal Nanda, number 3 Indira Gandhi, number 4 Lal Bahadur Shastri, number 5 Rajiv Gandhi, number 6 Morarji Desai, number 7 is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Latest recipient of all our prime ministers, who is that person? Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Total 7 prime ministers and 6 former presidents got this Bharat Ratna award. Only one industrialist got this honor. That person is J.R.D. Tata in 1992. Who got posthumously first this honor? That person L.V. Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri got this honor in 1966. After death of this person family received posthumously, means after death. We have to concentrate main important points of Bharat Ratna. Thank you.